Hello everyone, welcome to part 2 of this series, Scratch Beginner's Guide. And as you may know from the last video, the whole basis of my channel is to teach you how to code. And the Scratch Beginner's Guide is the first step. If you haven't checked out part 1, please do so, as I cover some very fundamental aspects and some other stuff you should know. Link is in the description below. Today we will be covering account setup, and I'll also be giving you a tour around Scratch. How exciting! Now, using your preferred browser, type into your search bar Scratch.mit.edu and it will redirect you to Scratch's website. Here we are. Now, if you have never ever seen Scratch's website before, this could be overwhelming for you, but don't worry, as we will take this step by step. Now, see this blue ribbon bar at the top of our page? Now, find the text that says Join Scratch. It is the second to last button on the ribbon bar. Now, click on it and it will redirect you to Scratch's Join Scratch page. Here we are at the Join page. Now, if you look to where the Scratch text is, you will find when I hover over it, the cursor switches to the hand symbol, indicating that it will redirect me to somewhere else if I click on it, in which it will. In fact, whenever you see this, if you click on it, it will always redirect you to Scratch's front page. Nice shortcut, and you see it worked. Back to the Join Scratch page. So here we are, back at the Join page. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is create a username. And now remember, do not use your real name. Alright, so I'm just going to create a random username. So, Test12. Now, I'll create a password and should choose a strong password. So, I'll just not show my password and I'll just type a password in. Alright, next. Now I'll ask you, what country do you live in? Now this is only used so that on your profile page it comes up as which country under your username. And this will also affect your stats where it says like you're the #1 most followed in Australia, for example. So I live in Australia, so I'll choose Australia. Here we go. Now, next. They will keep this information private, and this also helps them understand the age range of people who use Scratch. We'll use this to confirm account ownership if you contact our team. This information will not be made public on your account. Now, usually people, they don't enter their actual birthday because, you know, they fear and they only enter a random date. But if you do ever contact the Scratch team, they're going to ask you for your birth date. And if you don't know because you forgot, they won't believe it's you, as this is used as evidence. So do actually enter your actual birthday. Now, I won't enter mine for the purpose of this tutorial. And they're just asking you for what gender you are for the same reason. So, male. And this bit is what's your email. So you just type in your email. Now, I'll skip this step so I don't want you guys to know my email. Alright, I'll see you there when I complete this. As you see, Testy12. And now you see this yellow pop-up. It says, confirm your email to enable sharing. Having trouble? So, to enable you to share your projects and comment, you'd have to confirm your email. And what you can do by clicking on this link, check for the confirmation message we sent to, and it shows you your email. So right now they sent you an email to whatever email you applied for. they will send you an email, and then when you find it will take you through some instructions which are fairly easy and simple to follow. And yep, so I'll confirm my email and I'll see you there. So this concludes our account setup. Now comes the time for me to show you guys a tour. So I will be covering basically everything, so from your profile to the everything here. Yep, so it may be a little bit of a long video, but hopefully you guys can manage. Alright, I know I said that we were going to do a tour, but after I recorded and edited the video while I did the tour, it turned out to be too long and I don't want to bore you guys, so I will be splitting it off into 2 sections. So today was the account setup, and the next episode will be the tour around Scratch. And as mentioned before, we will cover everything from your profile to the Explore tab, everything. And so that concludes this episode. Now you should see a box appear on your screen. Follow the instructions, as you will be the first to receive all my latest updates and you will learn faster. Alright, bye guys, Scratch Warrior out.